spilling what I'm sipping. I've been drinking for too long now. I've been talking without thinking, talking so loud. I could blame it on the weekend. I could say it, but I'm too proud. I know hard what I've been speaking. Maybe if you listen, I know this static's loud. You could hear